Wednesday today. Bird's come back from a 20-mile trainer this morning. There are a few more there on the floor. So it's very slight tailwind this morning. They done 20.5 miles in 21 minutes. All they wanted to do when they got back is just fly around. So they didn't trap today. Obviously wasn't enough for them. Yesterday they had a 25-mile trainer. They've done that in 28 minutes, but they had a headwind yesterday. There's the winner of the combine there. That cock up there is off of daughter of Manchester. So just a bit of rest time for them now. So there's the cocks. Let's have a look at the hens. Hens are here. Really good race on Saturday, 120 mile. They're supposed to be in 143. Took the first 5 in the combine. We had 13 drop together in all that. Well, it was a headwind, mizzle, so it's drizzle and mist. But 13 dropped together from 120 mile, very good. They would have taken the first 13 in the combine, but we're only allowed 5 positions in the combine. Nice little frill on that one. Yeah, some really nice hens here. I tend to get hens flying better as old birds. That's a really nice hen there. That's a Johnny Panis pigeon. The 2 reds down there. They're from a son of Whitdirk. So this week everything's much the same. Don't change a lot for young birds. They're separated. Well, it could be an hour, might even be the next day after the race. They're separated and loft flown and trained totally separate than the cocks. Keep them separated all week and let in on basketing day a couple of hours before basketing. Throughout the young bird season, I don't change anything. That's the same week in, week out through the whole season. It's not like old birds. Young birds tend to be I find it a lot easier to motivate. So yeah, keep it all the same. So only got a small team, only got 30, what was there, 30, 37. 30 of them come back from the race last week. I got 6 that cut up, and then I had 1 come back late from the previous week's race, so I didn't send that one either. I'll get all the others back in this week bar 1. There's 1 cock here, he's quite badly cut underneath his wing, so he'll stay home. Worst time of the year for me with all the molting and everything. Feathers everywhere. I get the blowtorch out and I burn them. All the birds are maturing nicely. Plenty of feathers about. They seem to be having a good molt. Just starting the heavy part of the molt now. This is our winner this week. He won the combine 2 weeks ago with a velocity of 1190. Looks like this week he's won the combine again with a velocity of 11.02. A good stiff race it was. Both of them were stiff races, headwinds, and also on one of the longest flyers, so winning out a turn. The father of this pigeon is Hades the Unseen, number 666, and the mother is the checker pied, daughter of the Hulk. Still plenty of racing left in this pigeon this year. He's only now growing his second flight. Hopefully a couple more headwinds and he can do it again. Hades the Unseen, ring number 21A43666. This cock was actually bred in Darren and Ray Hunt's loft. He's from the old Soupster when he was paired to my daughter of Pitbull. Father of 4 combine winners and a second Amal for Jack Berry. Only 4 pigeons ever raced out of this cock. He's only ever been paired to 1 hen, and that's the daughter of the Hulk. So this is a daughter of the Hulk. Mother to second Amal for Jack Berry. Double combine winner for me. And looking like this week, I got a youngster that's also a double combine winner. The nest mate to the double combine winner was 6th the first week racing. Well, my 6th pigeon the first week racing. Last week it was my 6th pigeon, and this week it was my 7th pigeon. All 3 weeks the nest mate came with a winner. But we're only allowed 5 positions in the combine, so as of yet the nestmate of my winner this week hasn't got any cards. This youngster is direct from Hades the Unseen and the daughter of the Hulk. It's also a full brother to Jack Berry's second Amal winner in 2022 as a youngster. Full sibling won first combine. In 2023 as Old Birds, full sibling won first combine. Now also in 2023 as Young Birds, a full sibling, a checker cock, won first combine 2 weeks ago, and it's looking like first combine again this week. Full sibling to this pigeon. This pigeon is GB23D 92720. A grizzle, and I think it's going to be a cock.